Good evening. I'm Nashika, and this is chale.news, your July 8th evening digest. Tonight, Ghana's Attorney General is being asked to resign over a flood fund scandal that may have broken a court order. 1 in 3 common fund projects traced by auditors simply don't exist, and HIV patients are sounding the alarm. They say a drug shortage could kill thousands. Let's get into it. The June 29th Accra floods keep getting worse. Not the rain, the accountability. Records from the $350 million GARID flood project show over 500,000 cedis was spent on a management retreat at Aqua Safari Resort. That's the project meant to protect Accra from flooding. The finance ministry eventually froze contractor payments. Work stalled, and 34 people died on June 29th. Full breakdown on chale.news. Now, on top of that, the minority is demanding the Attorney General's resignation. Deputy Minority Leader Patricia Appiagie says Dr. Dominic Ayin wrote to the Bank of Ghana directing the release of 350 million Ghanaian cedis in flood relief funds notwithstanding an active court order blocking the contingency fund. That phrase, notwithstanding a court order, is the problem. As of Wednesday evening, neither the AG nor the presidency had responded. 1 in 3. That's the ghost project rate at Ghana's District Assembly's Common Fund. 1,587 out of 4,767 traced projects simply do not exist. And DACF boss Michael Harry Yamson says the full portfolio hasn't even been traced yet, so the real number could be higher. No arrests announced. The Auditor-General has voided 2 land deals where the Accra Metropolitan Assembly quietly handed over public plots at Kainshi and South Ridge to a private company, 90-year leases worth 5.14 million Ghanaian cedis combined, without telling the finance minister as the law requires, secretly, 90 years. After Ghana's $300 million methamphetamine bust, security analyst Professor Vladimir Antwi-Danso is using a word that should make everyone uncomfortable: narco-state. He says organized crime is already operating inside state institutions, and Ghana risks going the way of Guinea-Bissau. The Interior Minister has confirmed government officials are under investigation for collusion. An NPP MP is demanding they be named publicly. The Mahama government has frozen 76 of the 111 hospitals under Agenda 111. Health Minister Kwabena Minta Akando told Parliament only 35 will be completed following a cabinet review. No list of which 35 has been released, so communities are left guessing whether their hospital made the cut. This one is urgent. HIV patients are warning that Ghana's antiretroviral drug shortage could kill thousands because even a short break in ARV treatment can be fatal. This isn't a theoretical risk. These are people telling you directly, we are running out of medicine. And into that health emergency, consider this. The National Ambulance Service has admitted nearly every ambulance in its fleet is past its recommended lifespan. They're breaking down mid-emergency. Officials attended a performance review this week. No funding, no timeline for fleet renewal was announced. Trump has declared the U.S.-Iran ceasefire dead, calling Tehran's leaders scum and cuckoo after fresh strikes on July 8th. Oil jumped roughly 6% within minutes. For Ghana, where pump prices are already strained, that spike lands at the worst possible time. On the economic front, a KNUST economist is urging caution on Ghana's IMF graduation. Professor Eric Otengabayi says moving to the Policy Coordination Instrument is a reprieve, not a cure. Without real labor productivity reform and spending discipline, he warns Ghana will simply return for its 18th IMF program. Rare political unity, the NPP minority has broken ranks to back the Mahama government's push for African Union sanctions against South Africa over the treatment of Ghanaians there. Ranking MP Samuel Jinapor cited the Constitution, Article 73, saying foreign policy must serve Ghana's national interest. Both sides agree on this one. The Wesley Girls hijab case at the Supreme Court just got bigger. The National Catholic Secretariat and the Presbyterian Church of Ghana were admitted as defendants on July 8th. A 5-member panel is now handling a case that could set constitutional precedent for every mission school in Ghana. In Sefwi Asawinso, Western North Region, residents armed with cutlasses demolished a police barrier post and chased officers away on July 8th, alleging police killed one of their community members. 2 people are dead, 2 others have gunshot wounds. The Ghana Police Service has not commented. One day after Ghana's 1-0 World Cup exit to Colombia, a video surfaced of Jordan Ayew, Fatawu Issahaku, and Ernest Nuama shopping for diamonds in Dubai. Ghana took home $13.2 million in prize money. The internet had thoughts. Chale. We'll end on something that made people smile today. The Omanhene of Adina Nana Kodwo Kondwa VI went viral. Full regalia, dancing to Shatta Whale's low tempo at the Bakatue festival in Elmina. The crowd loved it. Ghana needed it. That's your July 8th evening digest from Chale News. Every story we covered tonight, with full analysis and context, is waiting for you at chale.news. Stay informed, stay sharp. Good night.